What is going on, guys? I am Consumer Tech Review, and thank you for 25,000 subscribers. Guys, we didn't make it in 2020, but I'm blaming that on moving into this new apartment, which is the empty apartment tour and the thank you 25K. Let's give you an empty, kind of empty, messy apartment tour. All right, so it's quite messy right now, but over here is the kitchen. So we have wood vinyl floors. We got a little bit of a yellow theme going on. The fridge, we got stuff for cooking. Nothing really that techy in here. We will have some lamps later. We got a fake plant over there. But in the bathroom, again, not super techy. We continue a blue theme. We're gonna have a blue and yellow theme. We got the nice shower curtain, as you can see, blue carpeting, nice stuff. Now, in here is the bedroom, the first bedroom where I'm actually gonna be sleeping. However, I can't open that right now because of boxes. So this is the bedroom. Right now, we just have the TV set up here. We don't have all the furniture, that's why it's an empty house tour. We have some sick RGBs on here, a Casper mattress, a queen, it's pretty nice. We have two lamps over here with smart bulbs in them, so you will see those in future videos. We have this dope Teotronics desk lamp, a Nerf gun. Obviously, we keep a Nerf gun strapped on us, so. All right, let's go. Coming out of the bedroom, this is the living room. So basically, we have some lights right there, which we're gonna have a smart plug connected to. We just got this tiny little table for now. However, we're gonna have a couch right here. The TV is gonna be set up right there, and then another couch right there. It's gonna be big stuff. There's gonna be a lot of tech going on, but this is the big studio right now, where it's a lot bigger than the last studio, which was also doubling as my bedroom. This is the setup for now. We got the custom desk mount on it. I'll do a full video when it's actually finished. It's not finished at all right now. Over here, we have lights and keyboards all over the floor, and we have a little setup for all of the camera stuff with that nice Teotronics lamp that you guys have seen before. Super nice. Now, coming over here, we have a new desk sent from Shop and Go. I'll also have this link below as well as the other desk, just the big stuff link below. And you can get this one from the Shop and Go website, which is super awesome. It comes super fast, and it's a super nice desk. It's got like soft closing in it. It's got drawers in it. I'm just putting a bunch of cables in there for now, but it's an epic desk. I'm doing my unboxings here, but there will be a MacBook Pro desk setup on this desk coming soon. So come through here, we got the big PC just sitting on the floor for now. We got the big tripod that we're using, and then second bathroom in here with a shower, so it's a full bathroom. And then we have basically the storage closet in here where we're keeping all the tech that hasn't been reviewed yet. There's a lot more than this. We have a bunch of keyboards that still have to be reviewed and keycaps and things of that nature. But that is the house tour. Thank you guys so much for 25,000 subscribers. It's still crazy. Like, that's a quarter of the way to 100,000, which is insane. 2021 is definitely gonna be our year. I hope you guys have a better year than 2020, but I hope this channel pops off even more so than it's already popping off, and get ready for some banger videos, because we have a lot of work to do to fill this apartment. I'm gonna bring you guys along the entire way through it, and a video will be coming out tomorrow, hopefully, as well as today, which I am filming this today. So get ready for some epic content. If you guys aren't subscribed and you're just now seeing this video, for some reason, this video might not wanna make you subscribe, do please consider subscribing. We are trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before 2022. Maybe that's too long. Is that too long? No, before June 2021, we want to get to 100,000 subs. This was Consumer Tech Review. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for supporting, and thank you for loving this channel. Consumer Tech Review out.